What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Julia Joy back again with another cooking video. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and join this beautiful family. You're most definitely welcome as well. Let's just get into the video. So in this video, it's about how to make a delicious koose and koko in a very healthy way at home. So please stay with me and let's make this from scratch to finish. And also the ingredients / recipe will be linked in the description box. So let's just get into it. So apparently koko and koose is a very local Ghanaian dish which can be eaten in any time of the day. So first of all, I soaked my beans the day before so it will be easy for me to blend. So this is my third time washing the beans just to have it clean enough. And I'll go ahead and add the amount of chili or pepper I want, a little bit of salt and also cut 1 onion. So after some time, I checked in with the spoon if the smoothness was okay. And I realized it wasn't blending well enough due to the thickness of it, so I added a little bit of water. Time for us to wash and cut our Scallion onion. So we'll first of all cut the roots and the tips of the leaves off and also peel the first layer from the stem to the root off just to have it neat and fresh. And also cut them into small pieces. Since the salt I added earlier on wasn't enough, I also added a bit of it and also a shrimp Maggi cube. So it's time for us to fry our koose and also prepare our millet porridge at the same time. So as you can see, I've already cut the product open and just following the instructions. Yeah, so I just fetch a half glass bowl of water and just mix the product in, the millet powder, and just stir it for some minutes. So after mixing everything together, I'll just pour it in my boiling water and also stir that constantly till it gets thickened. So it's time for us to fry our koose and I'll be using just a normal spoon because I don't want them to be big. So if you want them bigger, you can use a bigger spoon. Yeah, so don't forget to add salt to your millets, porridge or cocoa. And also I added a little bit of water because it was very thick and I wanted it light. So yeah, so I wanted small crunchy ones. That's why I was splitting it in the oil this way. Okay, so let's try this together, okay? I'll give you my honest opinion.
Not bad, but it tastes different from the original KOKO in Ghana.
You see this? Very crunchy. Auf jeden Fall vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Ich bin sehr dankbar, dass du immer noch hier bist und vielen Dank. Bitte vergiss nicht zu abonnieren, liken, kommentieren, teilen und checkst du alles, ne? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name is Julia Joy and see you in my next video. Peace.